Hey everyone, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am discussing rosehip oil. Rosehip oil is one of those things that I've definitely heard of, but I actually personally have never used it, never owned it, never smelled, experienced, felt anything like that with rosehip oil. So I was so excited when the lovely people at Tilba Beauty reached out and offered to gift me some rosehip oil, which is here. So this is the one that I was so kindly gifted. So as it says, it's the Uber Secrets brand premium skincare, and it helps with scars, stretch marks, wrinkles and dry skin. It's certified organic and 100% natural. So love the packaging. It definitely stands out, and I feel like on a shelf as well in a store this would really stand out. And this is what the actual bottle looks like. So this one in particular is a 20 ml bottle and retails for $24.95 just for reference. Now I just want to read you about the product as well. So it says it's an excellent daily moisturizer with skin rejuvenating and healing properties to hydrate skin, protect and nourish as well. It's rich in antioxidants and vitamins. Rosehip is known to improve skin tone, texture, and can help minimize the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, scars, burns, and inflamed skin. So how you use this is you massage 2 to 3 drops into clean skin morning and night, and can be also applied to scars. So I also wanted to tell you 7 things that you may not know about rosehip oil, but it's actually great for. So you can mix it with a baking soda and it can become an exfoliant. It is amazing for fading scars, firming the skin. I know these are double ups. It evens out your skin tone. It brightens your skin, helps with wrinkles, and of course also a great moisturizer. So I'm actually going to use this for 7 days and check in with you at the end of 7 days and let you know if there is a difference. So it's like it's a fairly clear liquid, and this is what the dropper looks like. So it says 2 to 3 drops. The smell kind of smells like olive oil, I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, very, oh no, it's actually really nice. And it's really easy to smooth. For a second I was like, that's nowhere near enough. I might actually add a little bit more just under my eyes here. This dropper shape, there's my dog, is actually really, really good. So I'm gonna let this soak in, and I'll also let you know how this goes under makeup. I'm gonna add a touch more. I know you're not really meant to, but I just feel like I need a bit more. So yeah, I really like the smell. I like the texture. And as I said, I'm going to use this 7 days, see if I notice a difference. But this is my skin. So this is natural lighting. I do have quite big pores here. I wouldn't say I have a lot of texture to my skin, but this is very up close and personal. So yeah, I will see you in 7 days. But yeah, I love the feeling. I really like the smell. I actually used to be quite against oils. I thought that it would just make me break out and make my skin oily, but no, absolutely. If you're like me and have that mindset, it actually does the opposite kind of. So I really recommend, don't be scared of oils at all. Sorry, this is really weird. I can't stop rubbing it into my face. I don't actually have like scars that I can try this on, and I know it wouldn't really like make a difference in 7 days, but if you use this in your skincare routine, let me know your thoughts. If you do think rosehip oil is worth it or not, if you notice a difference, I would love to hear your feedback as well. Hey everyone, so it's now been 7 days since I first started using the rosehip oil. Now as I said, I wanted to give you guys an update if I could notice a difference or anything like that. Now I do have makeup on, but I did want to mention I think I have found my new favorite type of oil. I can't believe. Now I'm gonna come in super close, so brace yourself. I've just noticed, oh, it's so hard because I have makeup on. I've noticed in particular, so I have really big pores around my nose. Now they have shrunk so much, like absolutely so much. And I've just noticed my skin just seems brighter. I seem like my skin is, it seems like my skin is definitely more moisturized. I literally just use this in the morning and my skin, it feels so plump, and I'm honestly so surprised and so excited that I know about this product now. Like, just say, honestly, I use this in the morning and this has become such an amazing makeup primer. I don't know if you can use it under your makeup or not, but I have had no issues with like separation or any issues at all when it comes to putting this under foundation. It gives my skin literally a flawless finish. So I don't know if I'm gonna buy primers anymore. Like, honestly guys, if you are looking to maybe purchase rosehip oil, if you've heard about it before and just not sure, buy it. Honestly, game changing, such an amazing product. The difference in 7 days from using it literally 7 times, I am blown away. My skin is just even, like it just feels and looks radiant and even, and I actually really love it. My one thing that I will tell you is that I use more than recommended. They say only 2 to 3 drops, but I'm definitely putting maybe double that, maybe like 5 or 6, just because I like more. But yeah, hasn't broken me out, hasn't like caused any issues at all. So I am super happy. Definitely let me know if you check it out or if you do use rosehip oil. I would love to hear from you. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you found this helpful, and I will see you in my next video very soon. Thanks again. Bye.